guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about powder baths. So they are one of my favorite rooms to decorate because they are a space where you can be dramatic and add, wallpaper or anything textured, something fun, and it's like its own unique space. So in this particular powder bath, we painted it black, which is also one of my favorite things to do because it creates drama. So it's black and very dramatic in here, and the highlight in this bathroom is the ceiling actually. A lot of times people forget the ceiling, but as you can see, we stenciled the ceiling. And this is just taking a stencil pattern that I found, I think it was on Etsy. And then you just kind of take the sides and then take a different color paint to create the accent. And then you therefore have the stencil pattern. Add a fabulous chandelier and voila, you have a fancy powder bath. And everyone loves it. So that's Fancy Fridays for today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.